hurt like hell. They didn't have any wood for me, it doesn't look like. Well, that'll be alright with me. I got a lot of wood. I broke the base I made. Now I gotta fix it. But I promise. What have I got in here? There's nothing in here. Well, there's a nice piece, couple nice pieces of wood. I think I'll take one of them. Well, Greece is far away. Greece is far away. Well, this is where we live. Bonds. They can do it to you with bonds.